This video is brought to you by Binary Bot Real Account. Leverage small $30 trading capital for huge gains on the synthetic markets. The official binary options robot provider for the derived trading platform. All info is in the description.
Hey yo, what's poppin' guys? It's your boy PabloPipsFX. So I just want to go ahead and provide you guys with a quick update in regards to our Telegram signals and our group, just how we've been doing since the week started. I didn't actually get to upload a video for you guys yesterday, my bad about that, but I am now making an effort just to kind of get you guys up to speed as to what is happening since the trading week started. And it's just been raining profits as usual in our Telegram group, guys. If you're not already a part of this group, guys, if you want to be a part of this before this becomes a premium service, all right? Like I said, this will be available for 30 to 60 days. I believe I relaunched somewhere there on the 4th, I believe, and so far it's just been sure profits, guys. We also teach you advanced strategies that you implement within your trade so that you secure those profits, and we send out 3 take profit zones, all right, and a strategy that goes along with that, just to ensure that you're not giving anything back to the market, okay? And the best part about this, guys, our signals are like 5 days a week. As soon as the market starts, you'll be receiving signals, guys, with accurate take profit levels and a stop loss, all right? So like I said, we did all the hard work for you guys. We did all the homework. We've made all the mistakes just so I can ensure that my team, I don't care where you've been coming from or what venture you had before. I ensure that whoever is on my team, that their profits are surefire, all right? That is what I worked on, and that is what I can say and speak for myself about, all right? So like I said, I've been through the pain, I've been through the heartache, and I've just been through the frustration, guys, to get to this point where I can now share this system with you. And like I said, guys, it's only going to be available for 30 days to 60 days. So you want to make as much profit as you can from our signals so that when we migrate to VIP, all right, you'll be able to pay for your membership on a monthly basis and consistently grow your account, all right? So what you're seeing now on the screen, guys, is just a few signals that were sent out since the week started. We sent out a sell there on XAUUSD. I'm going to show you something what happened just because I didn't implement one of our strategies being taught in our Telegram channel, and I'm going to show you what happened because of that. But we sent out a signal for XAUUSD, GBP AUD, and NZD-JPY. I still have NZD-JPY open. The GBP AUD, those hit target profit very smoothly, and this is just from Monday, guys, all right? This was just from Monday. Here you can see we're sending screenshots, just showing you the strategy that we're using while we're taking our positions, and it's break-even strategy. There's so much, guys, so much. So I'm going to jump over to MetaTrader and let you see what's going on. Right now I don't have a connection, no data. Don't bash me, don't ask me why or how, but it's for policies and company reasons. I'm somewhere right now, I'm not in office, I'm somewhere quiet recording this video, so just for you guys. So I'm really trying to do this right, so don't bash me, guys. Also, go ahead to our YouTube, subscribe, guys, support the channel, man. We're really putting our heads out there for you guys, just so you can see that, hey, we ain't bullshit and full of crap like some of these other YouTubers and mentors, all right? You guys are paying so much for signals that don't even produce results like these. Like, it's crazy, all right? It's crazy. So what you have right now is just surefire. So let me just go ahead and scroll up. Right now, today's Tuesday, all right? So I did not implement my strategy, and this is the trade I was telling you guys about, XAUUSD, where I took those 2 positions hit. We're in a negative 17. I lost $17 there on each, all right? Somewhere about $34 there above, right? So, and that only occurred just because I was out of office and I didn't have the time to implement my strategy. I wasn't watching the charts, all right? But that is one of the pains about having to sit around your computer. Right now we do have an automated strategy being developed, and as soon as that robot is finished, guys, I'll be releasing it to you guys for a reasonable cost. It won't be free, of course. With hard work and labor, I gotta pay a lot of people who actually helped out with it. You know how that stuff goes. But don't worry, guys, that is why the group and the signals are free for 30 days, so you guys can ride this journey with me and just become a better trader. Alright, but I don't want to make this video too long, guys. So right now, as you can see, all our signals sent out, guys, have just been profit, and these are all the signals that were sent out in our group, and all of them has just been profit. Now the profits are small, yes, because the lot sizes I used were small as well, and I use small lot sizes just because I want you guys to actually see that it is not necessarily the profit but the strategy that is working. Alright, I want you guys to actually see that it's consistent. So I can always change these to whatever lot size I want, and of course the profits will be much greater. Alright, but I'm not focused on the profits. I want you guys to see that, hey, this is consistent signals. These signals will help to grow my account, help to feed my family, right? Help to pass funded challenges, right? That is what I want you to understand from these signals. So I hope you guys understand the value that you're really getting from Forex for Beginners by PabloPipsFX. Alright, I worked long and hard on this just to make this moment possible, and for you guys can actually be on this journey with me. Alright, so if you felt what I'm saying just now, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, man, and give this video some love, man. Appreciate it. But that's just it for now. I'm also over on Telegram. Don't hesitate to follow my Telegram. The links for that will be in the description as well. But until next time, guys, happy trading. I'll see you on the Telegram channel. I'm out.